Hi guys, welcome back. In this session we're going to have a look at how to share your iPhone, your iPad during a meeting, and also have a look at sharing the whiteboard, okay? Now, a lot of people ask me, can you share your Android? At the minute you can't. It's only just the iPhone and the iPad, but it's quite good and it's very, very easy to do. So we'll just have a wee look at it now. So just like sharing everything else, basically what you need to do is have a look at your toolbar down the bottom of your screen, and you're going to click on the green share screen. And once you do that, it brings you back into your screen where it shows you what you can share. Okay. So this time what we're going to have a look at, we're going to look at the iPhone. So basically you'll have a look on your screen there and you'll see where it says iPhone or iPad, and you're simply going to click on that and you're going to click share. And once you do that, if you haven't done it before, you may get a little message may pop up on the screen and tell you that a plugin is required, okay, if you have never shared it before. So simply click install. It only takes a couple of seconds and it downloads a little driver onto your Zoom that will allow you to connect to the iPhone or the iPad. Very, very straightforward. And then once you do that, the next thing is it comes up with this little screen in front of you, okay? Now, at this point, when this little screen comes up in front of you, what we need to do then is we need to get our device. So either our iPhone or iPad. So you need to get a hold of it. And when you get a hold of it, you need to swipe. So you need to either swipe diagonally across your iPad or down on your iPhone. It depends on what iPhone or iPad you have. But once you do that, it will come up with your control center. So you need to have the control center, and once you've got your control center, you come over here to where it says screen mirroring and you press that on your device. And once you press that on your device, this little screen comes up here and it gives it a second, and you will see it will say Zoom, Kim Murphy, or whatever it is, whoever owns the device, their name will come up there. And then once that happens, it means that it's connected, and you simply come back down here, click, and then open up your device as you normally would, okay? And once you've done that, you've now got it connected, okay? So I'm going to give you a little demo on that now in a second, and I'm also going to demo the whiteboard as well, because the whiteboard is exactly the same, okay? Very, very straightforward. So we'll have a look at the iPhone first, or the iPad. So back into our Zoom, then we come down to where we have our share our screen. And in here, as you can see, I'm going to select initially the iPad and the iPhone, okay? So I'm just going to click on that. Now, it doesn't matter which one you use. You just need to have your device beside you, okay? So once I press the share button, you'll see what happens now. It's coming up on the screen, as I mentioned a couple of minutes ago, and it's basically telling me now I need to set the mirroring on. So I'm just literally scrolling across on my device. I'm hitting screen mirroring. And once I do that, it's picking up where it says here on mine, it's going to be Zoom Kim Murphy. And once I click on that, you can see there's my device in the background. So if I simply scroll up like that, it opens up my device. And then I can open whatever I like. So I could open up my Zoom that's on my device if I wanted to do that, or whatever app it was that I was showing people. Or if I want to go into the internet, I can go onto the internet and I can have a look, okay? So you can basically do whatever you like. Whatever is on app is on your device, be it your iPhone or your iPad, you can simply share it like that. It's very, very straightforward, okay? And just like every other app, once you want to finish stop sharing, you move up to the top, you see where it says stop share, and you click on that and it stops sharing and it brings you back to your shared screen again, okay? Now this time, if we want to share the whiteboard, so we go back down to share screen and we click on that. And this time we're going to select the whiteboard. So we press whiteboard and we press share, and within a second you will see the whiteboard is shared in front of us, okay? So again, we can draw, we've got a pen and we can draw whatever we like. We can click on the text, we can draw a text box, we can type in whatever we want. Click away, we can change colours, go for pink. We can draw all sorts of bits and pieces. We can put stamps on. If we wanted to stamp something, we can stamp away. The great thing about the whiteboard is whatever you type or write or draw up on the whiteboard, you can save it also if you want to do that, okay? So if you wanted to save it and use it for a later date, you come up to save and it allows you to save it, okay? You can also allow the participants at the meeting to write on the whiteboard. You can give them the rights to do that, and then they can go in and they can write away and draw and do whatever they like, okay? If you want to clear, you come up to clear and you can go to clear all drawings. And again, just like all the other shared options that we had, when you're finished sharing it and you want to go back to the main meeting, you come up to the top to where it says stop sharing and you click on stop share and it brings you back to your main screen, okay? So that was basically just a quick run through on how to share your whiteboard and your iPhone and your iPad. So I'm going to leave it at that and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.